Prawns are a type of shellfish that are popular in many cuisines around the world. They are similar in appearance to shrimp, and the terms prawns and shrimp are often used interchangeably, though there are some subtle differences in size and flavor between the two. Prawns are a versatile ingredient and can be prepared in various ways, such as grilling, sautéing, boiling, or frying. Here are some key points about prawns. Nutrition: prawns are a good source of high-quality protein, low in fat, and provide essential nutrients like iodine, vitamin B12, selenium, and zinc. They are also low in calories, making them a relatively healthy seafood choice. Size: prawns are generally larger than typical shrimp, with a slightly different shape. Their size can vary significantly, from small to jumbo prawns, depending on the species and where they are harvested. Flavor: prawns have a slightly sweeter and more delicate flavor compared to shrimp. The taste can vary depending on the species and how they are prepared. Cooking: prawns can be cooked in a variety of ways, including grilling, sautéing, boiling, or frying. They cook relatively quickly, so it's essential not to overcook them to avoid a tough, rubbery texture. Shell-on or peeled: prawns are often available both with their shells on and peeled. Cooking prawns with their shells on can add flavor, but peeled prawns are more convenient to eat. Culinary uses: prawns are used in a wide range of dishes, including shrimp cocktails, stir-fries, pasta dishes, curries, and seafood soups. They can also be grilled or barbecued for a simple and delicious preparation. Sustainability: when choosing prawns, it's important to consider sustainability. Look for certifications such as MSC, Marine Stewardship Council, or ASC, Aquaculture Stewardship Council, to ensure responsible and sustainable sourcing. Allergies: some individuals may have allergies to shellfish, including prawns, so it's important to be cautious if you or someone you're cooking for has known allergies. Storage: fresh prawns should be stored in the refrigerator and consumed within a day or two to maintain freshness. Frozen prawns can be kept in the freezer for an extended period. When working with prawns, it's essential to handle them safely to prevent foodborne illnesses. This includes proper cleaning, cooking to a safe temperature, and avoiding cross-contamination with other foods. Overall, prawns can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet when prepared and handled with care.